All right, guys, welcome back. So before we jump into what we've already done for this YZ250FX, if you guys aren't subscribed, please hit the subscription button. It really helps us out. Also, if you guys want any of these parts that you see that we're throwing on this Yamaha, you can actually get those in the link below. So there's a link to Rocky Mountain ATV. If you click on that and go and shop and buy gear and parts from them, we get a small commission, so it really helps us out. Thanks in advance and appreciate that. All right, guys, so we're not gonna open this yet. We're gonna talk about some of the things that we've done to it. So I'm a big fan of tubeless. I've been running tubeless for 12, 13 years, and I like it just because of the adjustability. So we have tubeless in this bike, and right now we're running the Tusk MXT45 tires, which is a intermediate to hard tire. We have these hand guards. Now they're a little, well, I should say flag guards. They're a little stronger than just a standard flag guard. They take a pretty good beating, so I like them better. I'm not a big fan of the full wrap, even though we have full wrap on some of our other bikes. I prefer just how it feels without having that. And also, whenever you crash, a lot of times you jam the full wrap bar into here and you have to loosen everything again to unjam your throttle. All right, the other thing is we've got us a new silencer from FMF. There's another video if you want to go check that out. That is to make us Forest Service approved. It's got a spark arrestor in it. Also, hopefully to get a little bit more power out of it and just for a cool bling factor. We just did the silencer. We didn't do the full header. We might do the full header if I can afford it. Everything's super expensive. And that's just about it. We have, oh, I forgot about these. We have these frame guards as well. What else should I throw on this Yamaha? I was thinking maybe graphics kit. I was thinking maybe even eventually throw some different tires on there. For you YZ250FX owners, is there something that I'm missing that I must have, that I need to try out and throw on the bike? Let me know in the comments below. Let's see what's in this box. Check it out, guys. So it's Yamaha GYTR, so the genuine Yamaha technology racing performance products. So this is a genuine product from Yamaha Racing, but this is a radiator fan kit that bolts right on to this YZ250FX. Now, I ride a lot of single track, and it gets really hot here in Utah where I'm from, in the desert, so I want to be able to cool this four-stroke down. And yes, there's a lot of other great fans to choose from, but I wanted to try the Yamaha, and be honest with you, it has taken a long time. It has been out of stock, and so as soon as it came back into stock at Rocky Mountain ATV, I jumped on it. This is the part number B3JE24EO-VO. So check this out. This is it. All of that, and it's supposed to just slap right onto there. Anyways, guys, let me know what you think. Let me know what I should add to this bike build that we're doing for this Yamaha. It's going to be mostly a cross-country, riding bike, and with some single track mixed in there. We just want to make it a little bit better, run a little bit more efficiently, try new things out. So comment below. Also, thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you out on the trail.